Today, I'm going to walk you through how to fix problems with the external player in your Telegram app, even if it just stopped working out of the blue. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what steps to take to get your videos and media files playing smoothly again, with none of the usual frustration. Let's dive right in and make this problem a thing of the past. First thing we're going to do is restart Telegram itself. If you're on desktop, look down at your system tray. That's the area in the bottom right corner of your screen, right near the clock. You should see the Telegram icon there. What you want to do is right-click on that icon and select Quit from the menu that pops up. The reason we fully quit instead of just closing the window is because Telegram often keeps running in the background, and a full quit ensures that all its processes actually shut down. Think of it like turning off a car engine instead of just closing the door. You want everything to power down so it can start fresh. Once you've quit Telegram, give it a few seconds, and then relaunch the app like you normally would. This simple restart can resolve a surprising number of hiccups, because it resets temporary glitches that might be interfering with how Telegram connects to external players. If that didn't do the trick, don't worry, next up is restarting your entire computer. I know it sounds basic, but it's shocking how often a simple reboot can get to the core of weird glitches. Over time, your system collects little errors and driver hiccups like dust gathering under your keyboard. A full restart sweeps those away. Just go ahead and click Start, select Restart, and let your computer power cycle. This step also refreshes your hardware drivers, which can directly affect whether applications like Telegram are able to communicate smoothly with external media players. Once your system's back up, open Telegram again and see if the external player is cooperating now. Still having trouble? Let's move on to checking for updates. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with other programs, especially external players that rely on the latest security or multimedia features. In Telegram desktop, head up to the top left corner and look for the three horizontal lines. That's your main menu. Click it and navigate to Settings. From there, look for an option that says Check for Updates or something similar. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Think of it as upgrading your toolkit to make sure you've got all the latest features and bug fixes. Keeping everything updated is a great habit that helps prevent future headaches too. Still stubborn? No worries. The last thing to try is clearing Telegram's cache. Sometimes the app's temporary files get cluttered or corrupted, and that can mess with its performance, like how a messy desk makes it harder to find what you need. To clear the cache, head back to that main menu, open Settings, then Advanced, and look for Clear Telegram Cache. Click it and confirm. This will remove leftover data that might be blocking the external player from functioning smoothly. Don't worry, clearing cache won't delete your actual chats or important files, it just cleans out the temporary storage. After you've walked through these steps, test out your external player again. 9 times out of 10, one of these fixes will resolve the issue. If things still aren't working, there might be a deeper compatibility problem or a rare bug, in which case, let us know in the comments and we, or someone from the community, can try to help further. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your questions or share what worked for you down below, and subscribe to the channel if you want more clear, no-nonsense tech guides like this. See you in the next one.